As a child, I dreamed of all the things I wanted to be. A firefighter, a police officer, a Power Ranger, even a director. I also tried different activities: basketball, baseball, football, and arts and crafts. Of all these things, the arts kept my attention. It's safe to say that my love for drawing comes from my fascination with cartoons and graphics. I was always intrigued by the different art styles of my favorite shows, how they were drawn and animated. I would sit and try to draw a character until I got them right. One day my mother came across one of my sketches and said she felt it was good and I had talent. This in itself sparked my creative flame. Thanks to my childhood shows, it became very clear to me that I wanted to draw and create the cartoons that people would also grow to love. But I also knew it wasn't going to come easy either. To be good at anything, it takes practice. I drew whenever I had the chance. Thus, I came to realize my acute sense of detail. I practiced drawing pictures, making sure every shape, line, angle, and feature on my page was the same as it was on the image. Strengthening my attention to detail, I felt I finally had control.
I got your girl saying, "Rehum, baby." Yeah. Hershey got a thing for the nigga with that money. Hershey rank gang, so you better see it coming. And I heard she changed her name, got in some trouble, now she running from her problem like a runner. Back, you know I'm coming for that money. Now that party, we gon' get it started. Too much money in my wallet, I can't even count it. Heard her me, she want that Molly. Look what they done started, told her ride me like a harlot. Fuck it, her Ducati, Kawasaki. She been watching since she heard my song drop. Working fine, call her butter, cause she popcorn pop. Silverado hard like a rock, that go silent. All my nigga hard from the block, mad store robbing. Tell them don't cut on the TV. We just made news for them niggas who wanna be me. One of me and one of you. Let that hoe stay for the weekend, whatever she wanna do. Now her friend wanna sleep in, and that cool, long as we got room. No prune, they heard I got juice. How can I lose if everybody against you? Pass the tech, cause I cheat when I need. I was working on police, relationship with all my teeth. I heard they leasing, all them cars, they be driving hard for no reason. All my ball, they on fight, and if the boss retired, everybody unemployed. Can't run from no nigga, girl saying she a gold digger. Got a thing for the nigga with that money. Heard she rank gang, so you better see it coming. And I heard she changed her name, got in some trouble, now she running from her problem like a runner. Back, you know I'm coming for that money. Let's have a party. I got bitch, I got liquor. Let's have a party. I got weed, I got swim. Let's have a party. Molly for the bitch. Ooh, let's have a party. Invitation, come and kick. Ooh, she be wildin' in my party, she invited. At first she was quiet, turned down for what she stayed inside. I'm gon' hit you with this wood, baby. You gon' call me tiger. Heard they snitchin' in the hood, protect the custody, now he silent. And he riding, cause his partner ain't his partner. He went state, he was acting, boy hit Oscar. He ain't that bait, his homeboy fake, and it's a lot of what bullshit in that Discovery pack. Doing wall clothes, I'm losing time with a judge at. Now the party crazy, I got pills, you want X. You know my neighbors hating, party look like Project X. And I told that hoe to take off, she talking about a check. No disrespect, but that bitch in this shit for that check. Hershey got a thing for the nigga with that money. Hershey rank gang, so you better see it coming.